3, 2, 1. On the 13th Joint Working Group on Higher Education, Research and Innovation between Indonesia and France, this year this forum is focusing on fostering Indonesia-France higher education, research and innovation partnerships for an advanced and sustainable future. Currently we have more than 300 participants in higher education, researchers and innovation sectors attending the session at the State University of Surabaya here in Surabaya. So thank you very much for your participation. Once again, a big applause to this forum.
Its economic value, that's what I would call a business-oriented view. Sometimes for its contribution to general knowledge, which I would call a culture-oriented view. The two views most often mix. The flavor of that mix depends on the political and cultural landscape. But whatever this mix, science cannot be regarded independent of its relationship to society. Even if the inner logic of science develops exclusively, really exclusively, from the state of initial knowledge and not according to wishes or decisions of partners of science who would ignore this logic. To make it simple, science is knowledge-driven. Its main production is new knowledge, whether technological or academic. These are the roots of the extraordinary development of human societies on Earth that resulted from the ability of the society to use their knowledge to modify their environment, then to extract new knowledge from these environmental modifications at an ever-increasing rate.
Monsieur Vice Chairman of National Research and Innovation Agency, ladies and gentlemen, representative to institutions in Indonesia and in France, Monsieur le Coordinateur Campus France, dear colleagues and friends, I am honored to open the 13th Conference on Franco-Indonesian Cooperation in Higher Education and Research. I have the privilege this morning of representing France Université and its president, Guillaume Gelé, sent his apology for not being able to attend this meeting. He asked me to represent him on this occasion. So I am a young president of my university, elected in February this year, and before I have been in charge of my university's international relations for 7 years. So I am very familiar with the issue of international cooperation in education and research.
Director for Europe 1, Indonesian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Widya Satnovik. Rectors, vice rectors, directors, vice directors, lecturers, researchers from both Indonesia and France, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bonjour, Madam, Monsieur, selamat pagi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, indeed, it is absolute honor and pleasure for me to be standing here before all of the esteemed delegates in the 13th Joint Working Group on Higher Education, Research and Innovations between Indonesia and France.
Indeed, even if we didn't get the money from the European Union to generate this project or from the NPDP, we have been able to generate a lot of joint collaboration. Each of them actually is a PI from one university and a PI from another university. And we have different levels.